podcast on?
Hey, you with BUG, and one way I like to relax sometimes and just clear my mind, I'm exposing one of my hobbies, and that's skating, skateboarding, quote unquote. Anyway, anybody can do it. There's no dress code, you know what I'm saying? We're breaking boundaries. I've been doing it. I'm just letting the world know, check me out. Just having fun. That's what I do. Whoa, that's how we do it. BUG, Boss Underground G. That's how I relax. It's all about balance. Get your skate on. What's up, baby?